that beautiful, absolutely marvelous word? ABC-DEF-GHI. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. ABC-DEF-GHI. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see. But somewhere in the middle, it gets awful queer to me. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. What can that strange-looking word possibly mean? Funny word. It might be kind of an elephant, or a funny kind of kazoo, or a strange exotic turtle you'll never see in a zoo, or maybe a kind of a doggy, or a particular shade of blue, or maybe a pretty flower. Nah, not with a name like that. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle it gets awful queer to me. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen.
Hi, this is Big Bird, reminding you to subscribe to Joseph Mosack 123's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.